30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 30. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 30th video in this YouTube video series. So it's all about 30 ways to make $100 per day online, and this one will blow your mind. Okay, so if you didn't watch the previous videos, please go back and watch the previous 29. You have so many different ways to make $100 per day online or much more. So I will show you this one in 5 seconds, but before I do, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. Let me share my screen right now. Let me show you something super cool and super interesting. So guys, I went to eBay and I found different PLR ebooks. So if you don't know what PLR is, it means private label rights, which means that you can buy an ebook with these rights and you can essentially do whatever you want with this ebook. Okay, so you can resell it, you can repackage it, you can bundle it together with other products, you can rename the product, you can put your name on it, you can do whatever you want as it is your own ebook, like you created it, but obviously you don't have the work of creating it. So what I discovered was pretty crazy. I found this ebook right here, Drop Shipping Made Easy. So this person sold 48 ebooks for 83 cents, that's euro, so it's a dollar essentially. Okay, so if you would buy this ebook from this person, you would have to pay $1. Now check this out, the same exact ebook with PLR rights cost $3.39. This means that this person bought it for $3.39 and then he sold it 48 times and he's still selling it. Okay, and he's doing this absolutely legally. All you have to do is just find an ebook that is something that people would buy and just pay once for it. You got the license to resell it or repackage it or even give it away for free, and then you just put it up on eBay, and as you can see, people are buying this. We have 48 sold, we have 74 sold on this one. Guys, we have 65 here. We have literally hundreds of different ebooks on eBay, and guys, this is just the first example. You have literally thousands of ebooks to choose from now. So do me a favor right now, go to eBay and just type in PLR ebook and see what people are saying and in what quantities. Okay, so guys, this ebook that I found was on master-reseller-rights.com. so again, if you want to go and buy it for $3.39 right now and just put it up on eBay immediately, you can. They have PLR rights, they have different niches like marketing, personal niches, web design, videos, audios, etc. Okay, so they literally have thousands of different ebooks you can buy. And another website I want to show you is this one, idplr.com. okay, so actually you have the link in the description, and if you will join through my link, it's in the tools, you will get a pack of free ebooks. Okay, so as you can see, they have 12,590 plus PLR ebooks, and the cool thing about this one that they have ebooks, but they also have videos, graphics, templates, articles, and audio. So a great place to buy these PLR products, not just ebooks. And another website I wanted to show you, if you don't have a dime to your name, is freeplrdownloads.com. These are all free ebooks that you can download and instantly resell. Okay, so we have even software, we have articles, we have a bunch of different things that you can download. They also have software, videos, they have other like newsletters or articles. So guys, these are all free. You don't have to spend a dime, but obviously if you want to actually sell it for $1, $2, $3, the higher quality ebook will always sell better. So guys, that's the video I have for you today. I hope you are super excited about this. Again, all you have to do is just find an ebook that sells, put it up on eBay, and start selling it. You sell the same ebook over and over again. How easy it is to send an ebook to someone. Okay, it literally takes you 2 seconds and you just click on the send button. And can you make $100 per day with it? Obviously, if you're gonna put up as many ebooks as you possibly can, you can make $50 to $100 per ebook. You can put up 1,000 ebooks and just start selling them. So definitely yes. Guys, before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. I hope you enjoyed this whole YouTube video series. Keep on coming back to this channel. I'm always recording videos on making money online and working from home. Check out all the links in the description. If you're serious about making money online, I have all the tools that I'm using to make 6 figures per year online. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you shortly in the next video. Ciao.